So I always say, alrighty. Well, I started painting the bedroom, getting that taken care of. I'm so happy. My little sprayer, I figured out why it wasn't working when I tried to spray the kitchen area. That's my fault. I didn't clean it well. And I took it apart, and there was some old paint in the nozzle that was causing it to spray funky. But nevertheless, I got it cleaned up, and it worked well for the bedroom. So I've sprayed the bedroom. I just got to go back with the roller and brush and hit certain little areas. But man, it's looking good. It is looking good. I'll check it out. Alrighty. Man, being alrighty. Got the cabinet sprayed, and that was that corner that looked like it had caught on fire, and the walls are all dark. Got the ceiling painted, and once it dries, I'll be able to start hanging the doors, and then we'll really be able to see what it looks like. I still got to do this wall. This is a small wall by the door, and I figured, you know what? I'll paint that by hand. But so far, so good, man. Okay. Once I get it all done and the doors on like everything else, I'll share it with you. All right. I am done painting the bathroom. Turned out really nice. And into the bedroom. Yeah, you'll see me in the mirrors, but it turned out really nice compared to, again, how it looked. Everything got painted. Very pleased.